Hi guys, now we're going to try to make a third pull request through git lens in VS Code. So I'm assuming that you have made the second pull request already and have git bash installed and set up. So also install VS Code. This is the folder where we clone the repository. Now we'll open this in VS Code and this is how it will look. Now what we need to do is go to this fifth icon called extensions and search for git lens. I already have this installed. You can install this from here and this icon will appear for you. Now this icon is the source control one, which shows all the changes that we have made to any file so far. But first of all, let's go to the file where we'll make the changes. It's called team.md. But if we compare this with the original repository, we'll see that it's not in sync. See, here there is much more content and it looks different than the one we have. So we need to sync our repos. So we'll go to the third icon. We'll click on these three dots and push, then pull from. We'll see two options, origin and upstream. We've already set the origin for our local repository as our fork on GitHub, and the upstream is the original repository on GitHub. So now we have to pull from upstream, the main branch. It's working. It's done. So the changes are reflected. Now I'm going to add my information here in this file before we make a pull request. I have added my information here. I've made the changes that I wanted to make. Now I will save this file. See there, it shows there is one change. It's showing what change has been made. Now I'll click on this plus sign. It is the same as running git add command on the command line. Now here I'll write a commit message. I've written a small message. I'll click this tick sign to commit my changes. Changes have been committed now. Now here is a small arrows. There are small arrows here on the bottom left. Now we'll click on the second button. This will push and pull commits to and from origin main. So this means that it will push our changes to our forked repository. We will select that. It's in process. It looks like it's done. So now I'll go and check my forked repository. Here I can see that my commit is visible. My changes are visible on my forked repository. So now similarly as before, I'll start a pull request so that these changes are there in the main repository of the organization as well. I'm making a pull request from my main branch to the main branch of the original repository. All the changes that I made are visible here. So now I'll create a pull request. Create pull request. Now my pull request has been created. When people review it and merge it, the changes will be visible in the actual files as well. So this is done.